Now, good evening, friends. Now I am talking about section 115 AD and a few other sections with respect to Income Tax Act 1961, and especially these are important for the business PGBP and specified tax rates. Now I am talking about 115 AD. What is meant by 115 AD? Income in respect of securities received by foreign institutional investors as specified by the government or specified fund. Income. What income? In respect to securities received by whom? Foreign institutional investors as specified, and or government or specified fund. This kind of income received na various types of income and a different tax rates is there. 1. Short-term capital gain covered by section 111A, 15% only, and any other short-term capital gain means 30% tax rate. In case long-term capital gain means any other short-term capital gain 30%, long-term capital gain means 10%. Long-term capital gain referred to section 112A in excess of 1 lakh is 10%, and interest referred to under section 194 LD 5%. Other income in the case of foreign institutional investors 20%. Other income in case of specified fund means 10%. Tax rate is there. In case of 115B, profits and gains of the life insurance business, example LIC you take, LIC tax rate is 12.5%. Any insurance companies tax rate covered under section 115B at the rate of 12.5. In case if you go by 115BA, income of certain manufacturing or domestic companies where their turnover in the financial year 20 to 23 does not exceed 400 lakhs, then the tax rate is 25% based on the threshold. In case if you go by 115BAA, income of certain domestic manufacturing domestic companies where a specified conditions, it means what? All other deductions is not allowed. Few deductions are not allowed, which is normally covered by 31 to 32, 33, 34, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37 and 32. Additional depreciation, like few deductions not allowed. For them they cannot 22%. Not all deductions, few deductions they will allow, and where specified conditions specified, for example if you bought any old plant and machinery, you will not get depreciation, and losses carry forward and all, no, okay, no problem. MAT credit you will not carry forward. MAT credit will not carry forward. Yes or no? MAT credit will not carry forward, where you have to see other conditions stipulated under section 115BA. When applicable, when not applicable. Then I'll tell you which cases you are not able to receive 115BA conditions is there. What those conditions? I'll tell you. If you are taken 115BA, what else you will get, what else not get? 1 minute. I define 1 minute. Yes, I'm talking about 22% now. When you opted section 115BAA, I'm talking about BAA, right? About the 22%. Yes, it's important. 25% means it's based on the threshold limit of the turnover. You're getting that option of 25% tax rate. Which one? Which section? That section is 115BA. In the case 115BAA, you should know it. What is the tax rate and what consequences is there in that? What is that? Na? SSC should be domestic company. Surcharge irrespective of total income 10% only will apply. Net effective rate will be under section 115BAA 22% and plus 10% plus 4%. So what other conditions is over there? Conditions means you will not able to get the deductions 10AA and additional depreciation section 32 subsection 1 clause 2A and 33AB and where 33AB means this one site registration fund account 33ABA 33AB rubber tea coffee development account also is there 33AB ABS maybe and 35 where scientific research expenditures 35 where amortization of expenses 35 triple C where agricultural extensive project schemes and any deductions under chapter 6A except 80JJAA and 80LA ATM. And company cannot set off carry forward business losses or unabsorbed depreciation which is attributable to deductions referred to the above. What above? These only 10AA and 32 section 32 section clause 2A and 33AB, 33ABA, 35AD, 35 triple C, 35 3CCD and chapter 6 deductions other than 80JJAA, 80LA, ATM. So this we need to keep in mind important point while application of 115BAA. And apart from that, if you go by 115BAB, especially for the manufacturing companies which is incorporated, when incorporated, it should be incorporated after BAC. $115AB, no? $115BW 22%. $115BAB is 15% tax rate. There are so many incorporated, no? As business should be commenced on or after 1/4/2019 and commence manufacturing business on or before 31st March 2024. So it should be incorporated after 1st October 2019 and before 31st March 2024. Then such a case, you can opt to 115BAB at the rate of 15% and other so many deductions is there na 32 and comprehensively with respect to 32, 31 and 10AA, 35, 35AD, 35 triple C, 35 CCD, chapter 6 deductions except 80JJAA and ATM. These cases you can have 15% tax rate. And this is the important section. And if you go by 115BAC, that's called individual taxation rates. It's around 5 to 30%. And based on the every 2.5 increase in your income, the tax rate also will go by 2%, 5, 7, 12.5, 15, 15, 20 and 30. That 115BAC rates, these only. What those? 1 minute. 115BAC. Important things only, just that's why I'm referring you, because in case if I miss, see, for every 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 6 to 9 9 to 12 12 to 30, for every 3 lakhs increasing, 5% will increase. So it means up to 3 lakhs. For every 3 lakhs, For every 3 lakhs, your tax rate also will increase 5%. Up to 3 lakhs nil, 3 to 6, 5%. 6 to 9, 10%. 9 to 12, 15%. 12 to 15, 20%. Above 15, 30%. So what I mean to say, where your income up to 3 lakhs nil, wherever from 3 lakhs to each 3 lakhs increasing, 5% tax rate will increase. 3 nil, 3 to 5, 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 5, and 6 to 9, 10, 9 to 12, 15, and 12 to 15, 20, and above 15, 30. So for every 3 lakhs increasing, your tax rate also go by 5%. So this logically you can remember. Whereas in case of surcharge, there will be 10%, 15%, 25%, and up to the 37% as also surcharge. But 37% surcharge is not applicable even total income more than 5 crores. So here what I mean to say, section 111A, 112, 112A shall be taxable at the rate of special rate only. Surcharge will be 10%, 15, 25 depending upon the total income of the assessee. In this case, 37% surcharge is not applicable even total income more less than or greater than 5 crores. So if you opt on 15 BSc, 37% surcharge case will not apply. Why? Since SSC is opting 115 BAC, not required to pay MAT. AMT credit cannot be set off against the 115 BAC. Therefore, SSC has AMT credit, it should first exhaust the AMT credit and thereafter better to opt on 15 BAC. Understood, my friends? Did you understand? For resident individual having total income up to 7 lakhs, 100% of tax payable or 25,000 will be rebate under section 87A. Jury is lower. Marginal relief if of the total income more than 7 lakhs but does not exceed 7,27,770, tax on such income cannot exceed the amount which the total income exceeds 7 lakh. However, margin relief not available in case of regular tax regime. Okay, my friends, understood, I hope. Thank you very much. I am going to other sections. And some other important sections is there that I will be release after some time.